So we've got the Ford F-150 center console for 2009 to 2014 model with the floor shift. This model has an undercut underneath both sides, which makes this necessary to install these pieces inside the console and lock them together once they're inside. So these notches here will go to the floor, and you're going to want to put these pieces in first, and then you'll lock them together with the two longer pieces. So first piece is slide it in and put it in roughly in the position you need it to be in. Put the second piece in, hold them vertical. Third piece goes in. Now you've got three pieces in there, and then take the longer piece, and what you're going to want to do is adjust those pieces so that the longer piece can slip over them. It's a little bit of a cumbersome process, but not too bad. You're only going to do this once. It's not like you're going to take it in and put it out. So you've got that adjusted over there, and then work towards the locking piece, and then you've got it in. Your hands are freed up a little bit, and the next thing you do is take the last piece, and you want to guide that in, lay it down horizontal, look at where the notches are, and just take it and rotate it up and into position, and then as you get it to interlock, start to push it down till it bottoms out. You'll feel it bottom out. Make sure the other one's in good position, and then once it's in there, there's no movement front to back, left and right, and you've got a finished grid. You're free to leave out the center grid to make these pieces, or make the openings bigger so that you have space to suit your needs, and that's really all there is to it. And once it's installed, there's no shake, no rattle, and it's ready to go, and you got space for all your items.